This video will show you how to replace the coin cell battery in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad X13 Gen 6. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, static safe tweezers, and 15 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. Caution: to avoid possible injury. Do not open, disassemble, or service any battery unless you are competent to do so, and ensure that you carefully follow all instructions provided by Lenovo. Do not crush or puncture the battery. Do not short-circuit the battery or expose it to water or other liquids. Keep the battery away from children and animals. Keep the battery away from fire. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen the 4 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover assembly. Do not try to remove them. Starting near the hinges, pry open the cover to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Disconnect the built-in battery cable from the system board. Loosen 3 captive screws on the built-in battery. The captive screws do not come out of the built-in battery. Do not try to remove them. Lift the battery and remove it from the system. Remove the P-sensor cable from the guides. Disconnect the coin cell battery cable from the system board and remove the cable from the guides. Use a non-metallic pry tool to remove the coin cell battery from the system. Important: do not put the battery in trash that is disposed of in landfills. Do not dispose of your battery with your household waste. Comply with local ordinances or regulations when disposing of the battery. For recycling information, go to lenovo.com/recycling. Lower the coin cell battery into place in the system and press to secure the adhesive backing. Insert the coin cell battery cable into the guides and connect the coin cell battery cable to the system board. Insert the P-sensor cable into the guides. Before inserting the battery into the system, inspect the battery bay area to ensure there are no sharp objects, foreign objects, or screws that could puncture the battery. Make sure to check for loose screws or other metal debris that may be stuck to magnetized areas such as speakers or lid magnets. Lower the battery into place using the screw holes and posts for alignment, inserting the tabs on the battery into the holes in the system. Tighten 3 captive screws on the built-in battery. Connect the battery cable to the system board. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten the 4 captive screws on the bottom of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.